Hi, I'm Katie from ShopWildThings. I'm standing in front of one of our new custom made-to-order rainbow ombre flower walls. You might be wondering about the cost of these. If you are looking at other websites, we don't want to knock anybody, but if you're looking around and you're thinking, gosh, I can get this for $200 less, or I can get this for, some websites are advertising half the price. Make sure that you're getting two panels, the full size. Make sure that it's not an overseas company, and that you're going to have to also have an expense of getting it to you. You're going to have an expense of clearing customs. You're going to not quite be sure if it's going to make your date of your event. Let us stress out about that. We've been in business since 1989. We make sure that we meet all of your deadlines. We do all of the customs clearance if something is coming from overseas. We fabricate a lot ourselves here, but we also obviously work with factories overseas. Let us stress about that. We've been doing this forever. We'd love to help you too.